stuffy introverts that sit in the back room and basically add up numbers on a 10 key, and that's just really not the case.
You have this stereotypical idea of what we're supposed to do.
Keep track of numbers all day long. We really don't.
The myth that accounting is drudgery and for introverts, that's a big myth.
That it's boring and I sit behind a desk all day, and that is not what I do at all. It's far from it.
My name is Brad Schultz. I work as a divisional controller at Skullcandy.
I'm Paul Kelly. I work for the Boyer Company in Salt Lake City.
I'm Curtis Anderson. I'm the CFO of Sweet Candy Company.
My name is Stacy Gunnell. I'm the Manager of Financial Operations at Thermo Fisher Scientific.
Michelle Pickens. I'm an FBI special agent.
People sometimes refer to accountants as bean counters. Well, I'm a jelly bean counter.
It's the language of business, and it gives you a good exposure to everything that a business does.
It's allowed me to have a diverse career and to do so many things that I would never have been able to do before.
I also work on maintaining and improving our accounting process to make sure cash receipts, cash payments, inventory tracking, everything's kind of tracked correctly.
We're on the groundbreaking entry level of where we create products that help companies, pharmaceutical companies, make vaccines, antibiotics. It's kind of fun to be part of a company that is on the leading edge of making our world healthier, safer, and cleaner.
I primarily work public corruption cases now. Any white-collar case, fraud case, you're going to have to follow the money.
Get to keep track of some money and some candy all day long, but most importantly, get to make decisions about the future of the business and where we're going with our candy company. Helping a company go forward, even though it's 120 years old, helping it ensure that we'll be around for another 120 years.
Probably the things that I enjoy the most would be the challenge of fixing things.
Another thing that I really love about my job is the culture here at Skullcandy. We work hard when we need to, we put in the long hours when we need to, month end, quarter end, whatever we need to do to prepare our reports. On a good snow day, we can take a half day and go skiing at the resorts. There's a lot of good balance, so it's good. Did I mention I get to wear shorts?
There's no typical day. I can have a schedule saying that this is what I'm going to do today, but a lot of times that changes once I get to the office.
I love my job. There's not a day that is the same. We will be better tomorrow than we are today, which means we change all the time.
If you're in accounting, sometimes you feel like, wow, we're kind of the unsung heroes. We do all the work, nobody ever pats us on the back. But the reality is, in a company like ours, accounting is key.
I graduated from Utah State with a master's in accounting.
I attended Utah State University for a year and fell in love, and unfortunately I'm not a USU graduate, but my heart's still there.
Utah State School of Accountancy rules.